Hey guys, today we're comparing two popular options for setting up a home server, Casaos and Ubuntu. Which is the best home server OS in 2025? Let's find out. Make sure to stay engaged till the end to get all the information. Let's start with Casaos. It's a lightweight, user-friendly operating system made for home server users. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a plug-and-play experience. With its clean interface and one-click app installs, it makes hosting things like media servers, personal clouds, and even smart home apps super simple. Now on to Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a full-fledged Linux distribution, stable, powerful, and flexible. It's not designed specifically for home servers, but its vast support and customizability make it a favorite among advanced users. You can build anything from a media center to a complex server stack with it, if you're comfortable with the command line. So which should you choose? Go with Casaos if you want a straightforward visual experience that works right out of the box. Choose Ubuntu if you're a power user or developer who wants full control and flexibility over your setup. In the end, the best OS depends on your skill level and what you want to build.